Hey everyone, my name's Julia.
I'm Chelsea.
I'm Joey.
We're your executive team for this upcoming year, and today we are unboxing the Frosh Kit.
Woo!
Maybe sure the other side's got the logo on it.
Oh,
There we go. Grab it. There we go.
Event Falcons. All right.
Let's see what's in here first. I'm just gonna grab.
Well, first of all, this is a laundry bag, by the way.
Yeah, it's like the perfect. I'm just gonna grab something random. Ooh, what's this? Ooh! Fanny pack. To carry around all your things at the
Nice.
concerts
Yeah.
and different Frosh events. Very cool.
All right, Julia, I guess it's your turn.
Mr. Grab. Ooh! We have a sporty water bottle for all your sporty needs.
Thanks, QVC.
Oh, I'm being told there's things in here. Ooh! FSU socks to keep your toes warm in the winter.
For all your warm toe needs.
Mystery
cold
grab.
toadies.
Mystery grab. Oh, what's this? It's the t-shirt we spent hours agonizing over the design. And it's really good because of it.
Yay!
With the orientation on the back. And that cool ass falcon, I shouldn't swear. That cool falcon on there.
You can only get it this year too for this Frosh.
Yes. All right, it's Chelsea's turn, I think.
Jules, I'll let you do.
All right,
All right,
we just have the
mystery
one
box,
one.
mystery bag.
No, I have one more mystery surprise in here, so
Okay.
so maybe
we
I'll
are
show.
doing.
Ooh.
We have our box of goodies.
What's it say on the other side? The other side's got the logo on it.
It's Fanshawe Student Union.
This is my favorite part. It's like a little stocking for your Frosh Kit.
All right, let's just start.
This is the.
Should we just pour it out? Here, let me move this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. This is
All
gonna
right.
cause calamity. Oh, that was
Okay.
a very well controlled pour.
So thank you very much. I like to control my pores. Okay, and on that note, here is a pour strip in which you can always control your pores.
That was very good. I
this
am in
one's
awe. Julia, I just want to point out, I am in awe of that. That
I'm
was
most
so good.
excited about these because I always get sick in the winter. Cough drops, they're a win.
Candies, always.
We missed our lunch, so don't mind me.
This could be someone else's cake.
Coffee and energy bars to keep you awake during exam time.
And then some toothpaste because you gotta keep your pearly whites white.
My lunch later.
Dishwasher pod thingies?
No, that's for your laundry.
Laundry pod thingies.
To go with the laundry bag. It's all circular.
You can wash your Frosh shirt.
A Click energy bar for the 8 a.m. class that
I
you
thought-
forgot to get breakfast for.
I thought this was a chocolate bar. It's not. Good thing I didn't bite into it. It's soap.
It's so
Microwave popcorn
But
for all
good
your
soap.
popcorn needs.
the most exciting one of all. Some post-it notes.
And on the other side, there's a coupon.
There's a coupon.
We have shampoo and conditioner.
Presented without comment.
Canteen.
Yeah.
Presented without comment.
Yeah.
And then we have one more thing that I just found.
It's
in
the condom without comment.
Found something fancy in my little fanny pack. A little webcam cover for your computer. So you
And-
don't have to worry about that anymore.
And here's a little behind the magic. Who specifically requested that webcam cover? That was you.
That was me.
And it's got the Fanshawe red with the FSU logo
Yeah,
on
it
it, if
does.
I remember correctly.
Yeah.
We're all about that logo life.
And lastly, on
Wait.
top of some other coupons that we will have,
We don't have a physical version of it, but you also get.
the ticket to our Frosh concert, which
Killy.
is our boy Killy. It is going to be lit, so please show up.
Take it from Julia, who just said lit. Anyways, I think that's our coverage. There's
Guys, it's gonna be great.
A lot of great Frosh Week events, including Killy. We've got the paint party featuring Delaney
Yeah,
Jane.
that'll be fun.
We've got the International Frosh featuring Potato.
Yeah.
Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah.
I did. Got it right
Good
that
job.
time. And plus Smash Wrestling the week after. There's a ton of events Frosh Week. Masters of Schlock. Please put in a note there if I pronounced that wrong.
I'm pretty sure it's schlock.
Did I not say Schlock?
You did say schlock, but I'm pretty sure it is schlock.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else, Jules?
I'm just really looking forward to Killy.
I think that's everything.
Hang on. Last little shot. Flash the logo. You got the laundry bag. Flash the logo.
There we go.
I'm gonna take my water bottle for all the water bottle needs.
Frosh Kits. Buy them.